Here we go, bonus video, I guess. I've got Marduk all posed up with some bits of PVC to hold the arms in a nice pose, and the head's attached. It's attached with a couple bolts, but I just sat it on there because it's, well, about to get dark, and I don't want to be crawling around the mech in the dark without needing to. Let's see if we can... Nah, I can't zoom in the video setting, but hopefully we'll be putting the Raspberry Pi cam into the head and running it into the cockpit, and I'll be correctly putting up the door because it's currently just sitting in there, so. And then that will be it. So be sure to like and subscribe, and until next time, bye-bye.